Okay, today I'm making an OB belt. I have my pattern laid out, and this is actually an old pattern that I downloaded many years ago from Mimi G Style, and I'll put that information below in my description box. Just showing you that this is the midsection of the belt. It's approximately 9.5 inches long at the top and 9.25 inches at the midsection in that bottom section, and the height of that belt is 5 inches tall. Okay, this is where I'm just showing you that this is the midsection again, and you're going to cut that on the fold, and on the opposite side I'm going to leave 2 inches opening right there. Here I'm just showing you I have all my pieces cut out, the straps in the midsection. So I'll get ready to stitch those together, and here's my liner material. I'm going to cut the same for the liner material. And right here I'm just showing you the old belt I made many years ago. It's a pleather material. I didn't line that, but I want to line it this time. Okay, I have all my pieces laid out. I'm ready to sew them together. I'm going to put right sides together, take it to the sewing machine, stitch with a 4th seam allowance, and I will leave a 2-inch opening on one side of that belt. Now I'm going to stitch my liner material to my outer material. I'm going to line it up or place it together, right sides together, pin that, then take it over to my sewing machine. Okay, this is just to show you that I have everything lined up, pinned up, and I'm leaving opening at the end so I can turn the belt. So leaving open at one end, and also just to show you that I like to double pin at my seams, especially at that opening. That's where the belt will slide, will insert through. So one end of the strap will go through. So I just want to make sure everything's lined up and won't slide when I begin to stitch it. This is just to show you I was getting ready to turn the belt right side out, and I realized that my liner material was fraying pretty bad, so I'm going to take it over to my serger to clean that up. Okay, now I'm ready to turn my belt right side out. I serged that to clean that up, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this right side out. Okay, now that I have my belt pressed, it looks pretty good. Now I need to close the opening of that strap. I thought I was going to sew it, but I ended up using hem tape to close that off. And it looked pretty good using that hem tape since it's such a small area. I used hem adhesive and just inserted that with my tweezer and gave it a good press. Okay, almost done. Now I just need to top stitch where that opening is. This is where one of the straps is going to insert, and that is it. Okay, here is one look here. I just simply brought the two straps together, tied them, and made a knot. Okay, for the second look, I just simply brought the two straps together, tied them, and just laid that top strap over on top of the second strap. And for the third look, I simply call this the knot. I take the two straps and I tie them multiple times until there's nothing left to tie. Hey, if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful in any way, please consider giving this video a like and please consider subscribing to my channel. And as always, thanks again for watching. Goodbye.